Our planet is a realm of extraordinary diversity. Today we embark on a digital expedition through 100 of nature's most remarkable creatures. Can you name them all? Let the challenge begin. Number 1. The lion.
Number 2, the elephant. Number 3, the tiger. Number 4, the giraffe. Number 5, the zebra. Number 6, the kangaroo. Number 7, the panda. Number 8, the gorilla. Number 9, the chimpanzee. Number 10, the hippopotamus. Number 11, the rhinoceros. Number 12, the buffalo. Number 13, the cheetah. Number 14, the leopard. Number 15, the deer. Number 16, the wolf. Number 17, the bear. Number 18, the moose. Number 19, the horse. Number 20, the cow. Number 21, the dog. Number 22, the cat. Number 23, the rabbit. Number 24, the squirrel. Number 25, the fox. Number 26, the raccoon. Number 27, the eagle. Number 28, the hawk. Number 29, the owl. Number 30, the parrot. Number 31, the peacock. Number 32, the cardinal. Number 33, the robin. Number 34, the swan. Number 35, the duck. Number 36, the goose. Number 37, the pelican. Number 38, the penguin. Number 39, the flamingo. Number 40, the ostrich. Number 41, the hummingbird. Number 42, the crocodile. Number 43, the alligator. Number 44, the Komodo dragon. Number 45, the python. Number 46, the cobra. Number 47, the rattlesnake. Number 48, the iguana. Number 49, the turtle. Number 50, the tortoise. Number 51, the gecko. Number 52, the chameleon. Number 53, the butterfly. Number 54, the bee. Number 55, the dragonfly. Number 56, the mosquito. Number 57, the ant. Number 58, the beetle. Number 59, the cricket. Number 60, the grasshopper, spider, scorpion, mantis, wasp, fly, moth, ladybug, caterpillar, worm, snail, slug, centipede, millipede, tick, mite, flea, louse, aphid, termite, cockroach, silverfish, earwig, thrips, weevil, locust, cicada, firefly, stink bug, leafhopper, whitefly, scale insect, mealybug, psyllid, lacewing, antlion, dobsonfly, mayfly, caddisfly, stonefly, springtail, book louse, bark louse, Zoraptor and Grillablatted. 100 creatures of our magnificent planet. How many did you recognize? From the mightiest mammals to the tiniest insects, each plays a vital role in Earth's incredible tapestry of life.